Welcome to the uKnowva HRMS course. In this video, we will learn how to import leave balance within the system. Let's get started. To begin, go to the side navigation panel and click on the HR menu. From the list of submenus, select Leave and Attendance, and then click on the View Leave Balance option. This will open a page displaying the leave balances of all users in the system. To import leave balances, click on the Import button located above the leave balance list. A pop-up window will appear with the option to bulk import leave balances using a CSV file. Here, you can either download the provided template file or prepare your CSV file using the format and headers mentioned in the pop-up window. Make sure the file is correctly formatted before uploading it into the system. Once your file is ready, click on the Choose Your File and select the CSV file from your system. After selecting the file, click on the Upload File button to begin the leave balance import process. The system will then process the file and update the leave balances for the users accordingly. That's it! You now know how to import leave balances in uKnowva HRMS. Thank you for watching.